Hello all you beautiful little pandas. I am Alexis and this is my trans journey. What is it now? It's technically, it's April 2018. Time's flying by and I'm not keeping up, to be honest. So I've been on hormones, estrogen for at least 13, 14, maybe 15 at this point. All the months are blending together. Alright, let me get a proper one for you. So it's December, January will be 12, so February, March. So it is 14 months on estrogen. And to be honest, I don't really have updates. Basically updates would have slowed down basically at this point because the effects of estrogen would be slowing down. So mentally, what has been happening? I have been on hiatus, you could say, for the last 2 months. Just getting my life together. Things are coming together very, very well in my life. I've had an endocrinology meeting and I got a referral, and hopefully someday soon I will get a letter for something coming up in the future. What else is happening? I used to work a lot in the public and I used to talk about how it was difficult for me. I loved my job, but it was a hard job. And well, since 3 weeks ago, I am now working in a very high position job, which I'm very happy about. I now work in marketing for a very big charity. I work in admin and marketing, and it's very difficult, but I love what I'm doing. What else? When it comes to like body updates, I couldn't be telling you anything new in the 14th month. Everything is pretty much the same, and mentally I'm in an okay place. Yes, there's things in my life that are coming together, which is great. Mentally, like, I'm not dysphoric at all, which is really good. I actually I actually like the shape of my silhouette right now. I would always love bigger boobies, breasticles, but I am not dysphoric about it. It's more like I just want bigger because they're not that great, they're not that big. My face, I'm very well at hiding what makes me dysphoric about my face. I'm not dysphoric about my face is because I always do the same thing with my makeup, which makes me feel better about my face. And I'm still determined to get FFS, and every day that I work I'm getting closer to the money that I need to pay for it, and I hope to get it done very soon. And yeah, basically over the last few months I've really found my style a lot more. You know, it's so important. Like, I think I mentioned this before in an update. It's like a massive part of your transition is finding yourself, and it's something a lot of people may overlook unless you're not going down the route of hormones. Yes, that's something that you would work on a lot, but with people that do go on hormones and surgeries and all that, it's something they may overlook a lot. Like, really finding your style can really make you find confidence, and if you have confidence you could take on the world, and no basic Felicias will ever get in your way, and you will be a strong, independent person that could do whatever they wanted. I just feel very powerful because I found my style. I like baggy trousers. I don't know what to call them. The really baggy black trousers, crop tops. I got a woolly jacket, dark makeup, dark hair, you know. I've mentioned this in videos before. And I love the website, and this is not a sponsor. Wish, AliExpress, you know, you buy something for yourself and in the future it's like a gift to yourself because it takes so friggin' long. Like this took 3 months to come, but oh my god, I love it. It just makes me feel so powerful. I'm like walking to work in my heels and I have like a woolly black jacket. I feel like one of those girls that work in English. But I don't, I work in an office. In Ireland's capital, which is in the city centre, which is amazing. Like, to grow up in the countryside in Ireland, and not much, like, some people wouldn't even have a name to get out of the town. I'm just like, I need to get out. So for me to be like working for such a big charity in marketing and admin, and I'm just like powerfully walking through the city, Ireland's capital, on my way to work, just makes me feel like anything is possible. Like, I literally, oh my god, I swear when I was coming to the end of my school education, I was like, I have no prospects, I don't know what I'm going to do with my life. Then I went to college for 6 years. I feel like I could take on the world. And I did work hard, but there was a slight things falling into place automatically, which I'm very lucky that they did, because I've just jumped on that and then I worked even harder and now I've got to a really good position in my life and I actually feel good about that. So my little pandas, I am Alexis, and if you're new to this channel, hi, you're cute. So basically I have been documenting since June of 2000 and could I say 15? Has it been 15? Or is it 16? I think it's 15. Jeez, I've been doing this a while. And yeah, we recently, as a group of pandas, we got well over 1,000 now. And I'm very happy about that. We're such a big, massive cult at this point. And if you're not part of that cult, don't be shy. Come on in. I'm very nice. I don't bite. Unless you want me to. Please feel free to comment, like and subscribe. If you're new and you haven't spoken before, say hello below and we'll have a nice little conversation. Right, I'm going to love you and leave you. Thanks for watching all me gorgeous little pandas. Have a good day and I'll see you in the next video. I'll try not to be so scarce with the videos. I have so many creative ideas and I just can't get myself to edit them. If I could get an editor, I would be flying with this channel. It's just editing, I just can't get time to do it because I'm such a perfectionist and I just want videos to look perfect. Okay, bye.